This video, I wanted to show you guys how to create a graph in Google Sheets. For number 13 in section 2, it asks you to use the information in this table to fill in this graph below. So you can use Google Sheets for this, and it makes this like the easiest question ever. It's super fast, it's super easy, and you get this really awesome graph. So what you want to do is first you want to open up Google Sheets. So you would go to Drive, you would click New, and you would click this button, Google Sheets. And what you want to do is you want to recreate this table in your Google Sheets. So number of days of UV exposure, that's going to go in the first cell. UV exposure, and then you can make this cell wider. Number of deformed frogs, that's going to go in cell B. Number of deformed frogs, I'll make this cell wider as well. And then over here it goes 0, 15, 24, so I'm going to fill that in. 0, 15, 24, and over here 0, 0, 48. Yep. 0, 15, 24, 0, 0, 48. Okay, I have my table, I've recreated it. What you want to do now is highlight it, and you're going to create a chart from this table. So what you want to do is go over here where it says More, with the three little dots. You want to click on that and go to this button that says Insert Chart. You click on that, and it'll create by default a line chart for you. You want to click down here and click this one so you have a column chart, and then make your chart smaller so it's not overlapping your table so you can see clearly what's going on. Okay, now let's compare. You have the x-axis says number of days of UV exposure, number of days of UV exposure, good. Y-axis, number of deformed frogs, number of deformed frogs, good. X-axis, 0, 15, 24, that's there. This one goes 50 to 100, and this one goes 0 to 50, so we need to change that. If you click on it, it'll show up vertical axis for you to change. You want to do this right here. Include minimum values and maximum values. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 100. So now it matches the scaling with this graph. This one goes from 0 to 100. Ours goes from 0 to 100 as well. And then the other thing that we need to change is the title. Title here is Study of the Effect of UV Light on Frogs. If you double click on the title, it'll highlight it for you and you can change it. Study of the effect. Study of the effect of UV exposure on frogs. Let's check it out. Study of the effect of UV light on frogs. Okay, I wrote that wrong. Change it. You can change it on here as well. On frogs. And that's it. That's my graph. Okay. You can change some, you can edit it a little bit, change like, let's see, you can change chart style, make my chart border black. I can change my chart background as well. I can make it like gray or something. I can change the color of this thing by tapping on it and then changing it to like pink or something fun or whatever you want. Okay, and then now I have my chart. It's ready to go. That's it. Excel just created it, or spreadsheets created it for me straight, like right there. And so now in order to put it into your Google Doc, let me show you how to put it in your Google Doc. Okay, here's the Google Doc that you should be working on. It's question 13 in section 2, so that goes underneath Tuesday. So what you want to do is you want to click the insert button, and you want to go to chart, and then you want to insert chart from sheets. So you want to click that, and it'll have, it should be the first one. Yep, this is it. This is what I just created, so I want to click on that and click import, and it comes straight into your Google Doc, and you can just adjust it to make it smaller so it's not all over the page, so it doesn't take up all the space on the page. And that's it. That's your